Hi everyone, on today's menu we're making homemade chicken noodle soup. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video. First, grab a cutting board and I'm taking 3 stalks of celery, cutting the ends off, and I'm going to thinly slice them. Be sure to wash and dry all of your ingredients before using. Then I'm taking 2 large carrots, cutting the top off, and then I'm going to also thinly slice them. Grab a small white or Vidalia sweet onion, and I'm going to cut this in half and dice this. Lastly, grab 2 cloves of garlic and I'm going to finely mince them. In the end, you should have a cup of carrots and onions, a cup and a half of celery, and a tablespoon of garlic. Grab a large stock pot and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Place this on medium heat and let this get hot. Once this is hot enough, add your celery, carrots, and onions. Stir this mixture and cook 5 to 7 minutes or until tender. Once the time is up, add your garlic and stir 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. Then you want to add 2 large 32 ounces of chicken broth. I'm using Swanson, but feel free to use whatever brand that you would like. I'm going to pour these 2 in and then I'm going to add my spices. Give this a stir and add 1 teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 bay leaves, and pepper to taste. Give this a quick stir and cook for 5 minutes. Once the broth mixture is cooking, I like to take 2 chicken breasts and season them. You can season them however you like. I like to use garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, and pepper. Heat up an oil pan, add your chicken breast, and cook on each side 3 to 5 minutes until done. We're going to be taking 8 ounces of wide egg noodles, and I like to rinse them to get all the starch off, and then we're going to add them to the broth mixture. After the 5 minutes is up cooking, add your noodles to the broth mixture and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Once your chicken is done, place this on a cutting board and cool and dice each breast. After the 10 minutes is over, add your diced chicken breast. It should be about 2 cups, and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of parsley. Give this a quick stir and cook for 2 minutes. After you cook your chicken, give it a quick stir and make sure you take out your 2 bay leaves. So here is the final result of the homemade chicken noodle soup. As you can see, the noodles are tender, and you can see the tender vegetables and also hot chicken. Be sure to let me know if you made this recipe or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.